When God created me, he created his favorites. Say he ain't got favoritism. But nigga, I am the greatest. My thoughts are separated by how others be thinking. My story is inspirational. I am an inspiration from the...
Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. So today, y'all see that leaky seal right there? Do you see it? Can you see it? Let me see if I get you over there. You see that leaky seal right there? See it? See it? See it? See it? Well, that's a problem. That is a serious problem. You see that leaky shock right there? That is also a problem. See that wire hanging right there? That is also a problem. So we're gonna address these things real quick. I'm gonna walk y'all along and we're gonna bust this thing down. We're gonna put some jack stands on it and it's loaded. So we gotta be extra careful. Make sure everything's locked down tight and we're gonna get to it. Let's get it. And we also gonna write these tanks up. They need to get changed. We got one and two tanks need to get changed. Let's get it. It's a little dark, but we got jack stands up. We got the tire off the ground. Next thing is we're gonna remove these two tires. We're gonna remove the drum and we're gonna take the wheel seal cap off and we're gonna drain it, man. So I'm gonna take y'all through them steps so y'all see. But this is how the process gets done. Straight like this. Never leave the jack underneath the truck because the jack is not designed to stay holding up the truck. It's designed to jack the truck up and you get a jack stand to hold the truck up. So let's get it. Yes, sir. Y'all see the tire off. Bang that, get the drum off, and I'm gonna let y'all see inside. Y'all see it, man. I got the drum off. Thanks to the boss that I forgot, you know what I'm saying? So if you're doing this, man, you gotta have some common sense really to think about what you gotta do. Because you gotta do certain things to get the drum off. So if y'all know what it takes to get the drum off before you can get to the wheel seals and all that type of stuff, what do you do to take the drum off? That one thing you gotta do. If y'all know what that is, man, y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let's get it. Y'all see that? See what time it is? Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is? So I got the nut already loose. You know what I'm saying? You can change it, turn off by hand. It does have locking washers with these two nut locks on the race behind it to keep it from going forward. So you got to unloosen those. You don't have to pull them all the way out. And next we're gonna take this nut off. We're gonna take the front bearings off, the washers, and then we're gonna be able to get to our bearings. We're gonna take it over to the machine. We're gonna clean everything all up. We're gonna put a new seal on there, and then we're gonna install everything all back, man. Let's get it. Yeah, man, so you see the race, it's still stuck on there, so we gotta get that thing back. And y'all see that situation right there. And also I'm gonna show you something, man. So if you already got it off, you wanna push your ABS sensor back forward. You wanna clean all this stuff off, man. So you wanna make sure your ABS light not gonna come on once you put everything back together. On that note, man, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, drop something in the comments, man. So the rest is gonna be a B-roll, and I'm gonna show y'all how to put it all back together. And that's gonna be another lit situation. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and make sure y'all stay tuned and let's get it.